Well, it's hard to believe that tomorrow will be the first day of the new year. I'd like to encourage you with some words from the Apostle Paul, who says in 1 Corinthians 15:58, "Therefore, my beloved brethren, be steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord, for as much as you know that your labor is not in vain in the Lord." Let me encourage you, brothers and sisters in Christ, that verse presents such a good challenge and encouragement to us as we enter the new year. The focus that we must have is on how do we serve the Lord well? How do we maintain that commitment? How do we take advantage of the opportunities that God has in store for us? Because ultimately, whatever happens in this world, what we do for Christ will certainly last. From Excel Ministries to you, we hope you have the most blessed new year, fruitful new year. Might you be encouraged in all that the Lord will accomplish both in and through your lives.